Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you built your site with Hostinger Website Builder and want to offer Klarna in 2026, here is the clear truth. No confusion, no myths. Klarna doesn't connect directly to Hostinger Website Builder. It works indirectly through Stripe using Hostinger's built-in payment system. The good news is when Stripe is set up correctly, Klarna appears automatically at checkout, no code, no plugins, no cost teamwork. So in this guide, I will show you I will show you the only supported way to connect Klarna to Hostinger Websites Builder in 2026. Okay, so first thing first you have to do is create and verify a Stripe account. So it's required. Okay, so create or log into your Stripe account, complete identity and business verification, and activate your account. So this is very important. Klarna will not appear on unverified Stripe accounts. Okay, so first thing, connect Stripe to Hostinger Website Builder. Okay, so log into Hostinger Edge panel and then go to websites and then tap edit the website. So you have to upgrade your account first, choose a Stripe, click connect Stripe and log into Stripe and authorize Hostinger. Okay, so Stripe connected equals payments enabled. Okay, so now enable Klarna inside Stripe. Okay, so log into your Stripe dashboard, settings, tap payments methods, find Klarna, enable Klarna if available in your region. Stripe automatically handles complaints. Domain verification is automatic. HTTPS required. Okay, so you do not need a separate Klarna account. Okay, so add products or services now. So Klarna only shows if checkout is active. So in Hostinger Website Builder, add products or add services, set price, supported currency, and checkout enabled. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.